Hello world, this is Ben Malouf here. This is my Mendel Max, and I'm going to show you a strange little phenomenon I just discovered when I went to adjust one of the stepper motor potentiometers. So there that is, that's the y-axis stepper driver. There's my y-axis stepper, and then listen. That's a radio station. I don't know which one or why, but for some reason when I sort of ground that potentiometer with my body and the screwdriver touching it, plays a radio station until I let go and it shuts off. Back on. Off. I thought that was weird. Figured it was worth sharing with the world.